32-quart fryer for turkey, chicken, and more. Steams, boils and fries seafood, poultry, vegetables, tamales. Polished stainless steel for optimal durability and easy cleaning. 12-inch stainless steel thermometer, 50 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Strongest perforated basket on the market for even steaming. Heavy-duty handles for easy transport, vented lid. Bayou Classic 32-quart stainless turkey fryer is specifically designed to fry a whole 18-pound turkey in as little as 45 minutes. Also includes a perforated basket, making this a multi-purpose stockpot to boil, steam, and ideal for malt extract homebrew. Generous capacity is perfect for preserving and canning. Use this versatile stockpot for large-scale entertaining and family meals, whether boiling a low-country boil feast or frying a turkey. Dining indoors or eating alfresco, Bayou Classic understands the importance of presentation and is the preferred choice of adventurous backyard chefs everywhere. Top reviews from the United States. Big, works very well. At 32 quarts, this is one big pot. I was able to fit a 22-pound turkey in this, just over the recommended maximum size, with no problem. The basket is technically for steaming, but I was able to fry 24 wings in it with no problem. The turkey skewer, not sure what it's really called, fit the turkey just fine without getting my hands too close to the boiling oil. And of course the stainless steel is tough, durable, and is non-reactive with food, unlike aluminum. The fact it is stainless steel and so large were the primary reasons I bought this, as well as the fact it includes everything you need except the burner. Cleaning is a little awkward due to its size. I had to put it in the big basin next to my washing machine. I soak it in hot, soapy water for a few hours then scrub it with steel wool. Comes clean every time. If I use the basket I just put it in the pot while it soaks. Everything else can be scrubbed to get the fried on bits off then fits in the dishwasher. I highly recommend using silicone oven mitts. Your hand will be inches away from bubbling oil. Silicone oven mitts can withstand higher temperatures than 375-degree oil, and don't soak up liquids. No matter how much you dry your food before submerging it, it will have water inside it, it will flash boil, and it will spatter. Protect yourself with silicone oven mitts, a long sleeve, thick, sweatshirt, and strongly consider safety glasses, even a cheap pair. I have had oil spatter on my nose before. That's an inch away from a potential trip to the ER if you aren't wearing safety glasses.